guys, Styles here. Welcome to another video. If you guys are new here and when I subscribe to the channel, those returning as always, hey, much appreciated. So today for you guys, we got a real quick video. Heat Transfer Warehouse sent us off some transfers. In case you guys are unaware, they offer a variety of transfers, both custom and stock, in-house and Supacolor. Today for you guys, we're gonna press the Supacolor transfer. 320, 15 seconds. We'll see what all the fuss is about. I'm low-key hyped. Let me know in the comments below. Do you guys use this stuff? Okay, so our press has reached the desired temperature of 320 and it's set for 15 seconds. Now we're dealing with this transfer, and most transfers in particular, you want to have heavy pressure. So we're going to go ahead and increase the pressure on our press. To do that, you're going to go righty-tighty, loosey-lefty. Put that in your toolbox. So as always, our test shirt is going to be a Gildan. And our first impression, this feels like a DTF transfer. However, you can tell that it's not. I don't know what they use exactly, but it's not a DTF transfer. So anyway, won't use a Teflon sheet. Like I said, 320, 15 seconds. We're gonna go ahead and go 3 fingers down from the collar. And we'll see what this does. Now, all the videos that I've seen on the feedback, the most trouble comes in the peeling process. So, fingers crossed. It's going to be a quick peel. Roll away motion. Not bad. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and give it a pre-press. And for what I'm seeing, you don't need to have a Teflon sheet, so we'll test that out. Came off clean. So, off first impressions, is this DTF? Certainly not. Now, do you have a hand feel? Yeah, you got a bit of a hand feel. It doesn't lay in the garment like a sublimation would. It's more on top of the garment. However, it's not bad at all. People like to do this whole stretch deal. Now I know for a fact you can't do that with DTF. And it does feel like something you would get from the store, you know what I mean? Not like you printed it at home. Would I recommend it? Definitely. You guys go ahead and hit the link in the description below. Try it out for yourself. Supacolor Transfer, Heat Transfer Warehouse, both stock and custom versions. Once again, this has been Styles. You guys be kind, and I'll catch you on the next one.